Good afternoon, kids. Because of light problem, I am sharing this video now. Okay. In last period, we have seen how to use word art, and also we have seen how to insert shapes and how to write in that shapes using text box. Okay. Today I will show you how to insert table in our document. Again, we have to click on the insert menu and see here table option is there. Click on that drop down arrow. You will get such type of screen. Now keep it in one. Remember that horizontal line is called as row and vertical line is called as column. So how many rows and columns I want? That much boxes you have to select. See, like this. Okay, now I have taken 4 column. This vertical line is called as column and horizontal line is called as row. Okay, now I want to increase the size of this table. So see here you can see 4-headed arrow. Take your mouse pointer on that and click. So your table will be selected. Then again click on home menu and increase the size. See here. Okay, now I will write here what I will write, roll number. Then I want to take my cursor in the next cell. A single box is called as a cell. Then you can use your arrow keys that are called as a navigation keys. These keys also you can use, or see here tab button is there. This is my tab. Okay, this is my tab button. You can press this tab button also. When I press this tab, then my cursor will move to the next cell. Here I will write name and then tab marks. Okay, now see, this column is extra. I don't want this column. What to do? I will show you afterwards. How to delete it, I will show you. Okay, then next, roll number 1. Roll number 1, tab, otherwise arrow keys. What is the name? A, B, C. Again tab. How many marks A, B, C got? 78. Then again tab or arrow key. Then roll number 2. Then E, F, G. How many marks? 80. Then tab or arrow key. Roll number 3. L, M, N. Then how many marks? 90. Okay, now see, this much record I have inserted in this table. Now I don't want this extra column and these extra rows. Okay, to delete these extra column and rows, what to do? Suppose if you want to delete the column, then keep your cursor anywhere in that column. Listen me carefully. If you want to delete column, then keep your cursor anywhere in that column and then right click. Right click means what? See, this is your mouse and the second button of the mouse, that is the right button. You click it. Then you will get such type of dialog box or menu. Then here, see here, delete cell. Click on that delete cell. But I don't want to delete cell. I want to delete entire column. So I will select here delete entire column and then OK. See, that extra column is deleted. Again the same procedure. If you want to delete the row, then anywhere in that row, in any cell, you can keep the cursor, right click and delete cells. Again what I want to delete? I don't want to delete a particular cell. I want to delete a full row, entire row. So I will select the option delete entire row and okay. See that one row is deleted. Now I don't want these 3 rows also, so I will select all these 3 and right click and delete cells, and here entire row. Okay, see the extra column and extra row I have deleted. Now if you want to format it, then see you can click on this 4-headed arrow, then whole table will be selected. Okay, and when you double click on that arrow, then you will get such type of screen. Here ready-made formats are there. You can take any format. See that format is applicable to your table. If you don't want such type, then only select it. First of all I will undo, then select it, then how we are doing formatting, how we format our text, like that only you can format your table. Now suppose I want this font color, I will choose something. Okay, and bold effect, I want bold effect, and okay, then here I will give the shading part. Okay, see like this also you can format your table. Okay, now what you will do, you will insert one table, you will practice how to delete extra column, how to delete extra row, and you have to format your table. Okay, this much only you have to do, but along with this you have to practice previous options also. Whatever we have seen, that all options also you have to practice. Okay, thank you.